Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful. But this completely honest finding perfect changes everything. You seriously need to see this. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it feels incredibly high quality, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade.